Hi everyone, I am Gideon. Welcome back to my programming channel. If you are building object-oriented programs in Python, you have probably run into inheritance. But what happens when you want to extend your parent class without rewriting everything from scratch? That's where the super function comes in. It's a game changer for clean, maintainable code. In this video, I will show you exactly how super works, step by step. So here's a simple example. Let's say we have a base class called animal. Now this class right here has an initializer that sets the animal's name and speak method that prints a generic message. Now let's say we want a dog class that will inherit from the animal class without the super. We might have to rewrite the init method like this. Now you see the problem right here. We are manually setting self.name again, which duplicates the logic from the parent. So if the parent init changes later, we might have to update every child classes. That's very messy and to give you a whole lot of error. So this is where the super comes in. So super is a built-in Python function that lets you call methods from the parent class in your subclasses. So it's like saying, hey parent, do your thing first, then I'll add mine. The syntax is simple. So let's look at something like, for example, super dot method name argument. Now, no need to hard code the parent class name. It will dynamically find the next class in the inheritance chain. So let me show you how to fix the dog class. Now you see how this works. Here, what we call the parent init first. Then now we added our own stuff, which is the breed here. Then optionally also, we can also call the parent speak. Then extend it here as well. So when you run this, the self.name is set by the parent. And we add the breed seamlessly to the function here. So let's test it and see. So I'm going to say my dog variable so then my dog does speak. So if I run this, we see what will happen in the terminal. Now we have this as well. Body makes a sound. Body the golden dog, which is what we have here. Body makes the Body makes a sound. Then body the golden dog barks. So let me just say body golden, so it makes sense for again. So you see body the golden dog barks, so extends the golden dog barks here. So you can see how perfect the super extends the function. The parent method runs, then ours extend it anytime we add a new one. Does this matter? As a programmer, you have to know that it's very important to always note the super method, because it keeps your code dry. It doesn't repeat. It's essential for larger projects like building apps with multiple related classes. Plus, it makes your code more flexible if you want to swap or add parents later. Now, one more thing is the inheritance is not always single. What about if we have multiple parents? Super also handles that too. So thanks to what the Python's method resolution order, it ensures methods are what called in a logical sequence, avoiding the dreaded where two parents inherit from the same grandparent. For example, I have class swimmer. So if you look at the dark class here, we have what? Multiple inheritance, which is what? 3 different inheritance here. Same way here, we also what? Cause the animals what? Init what first. So it means what? We have the dark, which moves towards the swimmer, which moves towards the what? Flyer object. So it means in this instance, we have what? The dark, which moves towards the animal, then goes towards the swimmer, then goes toward the flyer, then finally what? The object in here, which is what? Exactly what this what tells you. So it means that what? Whenever you call super, Python follows what? The MRO to call the next method in the line. When I say MRO, I mean what? Method resolution what? Order. So you can check it with what? The dark what? Micro. In single inheritance, it's straightforward. In multiple, super prevents a lot of what? Confusions and chaos by what? Linearizing the hierarchy. But heads up, always keep your MRO in mind to avoid surprises. So to recap what we did, use super initialize in method construction to initialize parents. Call super method to extend other method. It works beautifully with inheritance via what? Method resolution order. Practice this in your next project and it will level up your OS skills fast. Thanks for watching. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, drop your comments if you have any question. Keep coding and I'll see you in next video.